Hi, this is Dr. TF. We already seen how we can install Swift in Windows 2.0 versions, and now I'll just work along with some basic programs in Swift programming language. Okay, I've already mentioned before, Swift is for Apple systems. It runs on iOS, Macintosh and Linux versions, but there is a version to compile it in Windows. That's what I'm trying to give it here. For installation, you can watch the previous video which I uploaded. So all that you need to do to run a program is take any basic editor. Okay, so since I don't have any specific editor like Edit Plus or anything like that, I just use the traditional one, the Notepad editor. You can even use the Notepad when you want to run any basic Swift program here. Okay, so as always, I've just opened this compiler Swift for Windows 2.0, which I've shown how to install it in last video. Okay, so I'm just opening the editor here. So what I'm going to do at start is the famous hello world program. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to carry a string in a variable. I will get a string into a variable and I'm just going to print that one. Okay, nothing more than that. So first of all, how to print, I'll just tell you. So to output a particular statement, okay, if it's not clear, I just zoom the font here so that it will be clear to you. Okay, I'll just put 18 so it's visible at the editor. Okay, I hope it's visible now. So with this print function, you can just output any string into the system. Okay, we are just putting hello world now, and this particular statement, that is print function bracket hello world, is going to output any string or anything to the console window. Okay, so now we have done with it. Now the famous thing is you have to save it. You are putting save as, and unlike Java or Golang, you need not to save it in any specific location. You can just save it in any location you want to. Okay, I'll just put hello dot Swift. Okay, so here a small information of significance. Whenever you save this program, you make sure that you put an extension of .swift. Okay, so just like in Java you put the name of the program followed by extension JAVA, here you make sure that you put the extension of program as SWIFT. Okay, and you are saving it. Now let's select the file in compiler. You open the compiler here, and yeah, you have a program here. Now you have loaded the file to the compiler. You can see here it has been loaded with the location here. Okay, so once you have loaded the file, you have to compile it. So you can do that by clicking on this compile button. So it's been compiled now. Yeah, it's successfully compiled. You can just check the logs here. I'm highlighting it here. So once it's compiled, is giving successfully compiled. Once it's compiled, you can run the particular program by clicking this run command button. Okay, so once you click this run button, your command prompt opens here of your operating system, and it will give the output to you. Okay, yes, it's giving the output hello world. And finally, this is the default statement for this particular compiler. Like it is asking you to press any key to continue so that it will exit safely the command screen. Okay, I'm just clicking some screen. Now it is complete. Okay, so this is how you can just run a hello world program in Swift. Okay, keep watching the next videos. I'll tell you how to get a value to a variable and do the other programs. Okay, see you, tata, bye bye.